What's up, Dragons? Raymy's here still today. We're gonna smash this toilet with a sledgehammer. This is gonna be pretty fun. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was badass. Yeah.
So tells me I'm a little close.
I'm also here with my dad. Alright. Here's Dad. He...
Oh.
There you go. Alright. I get the rest of it. Okay. Well, that's why I did not stand a fucking chance. Hey guys, sorry for that cut. This is actually part 1 of smashing the toilets. It's gonna be 2 parts. That is part 1. I want to also do an explanation of why this is like cleared, and also explaining why there's a dumpster in the front of the house. So the reason why we have that dumpster is so we had to get rid of all this garbage, and we've just been doing it all day, 2 days, and it is stinking hot out here. And I was just carrying garbage back and forth, and so I actually had the idea to do it with my dad, so we can like smash the toilets. Obviously, you guys saw we did, and we're still gonna have to take more garbage out. There's still like this little pile, and the second toilet is in the garden right there. It's all overgrown, and I actually have to show you guys the progress of what I was doing for the past 2 days, because well, you know, big like dumpster and all. But yeah, just come around here. You can come to this corner. You can actually see we've just been really working a lot, and if you can see, this dumpster is almost completely filled. So we've just been all day for the past like 2 days. We've just been like carrying garbage and just throwing up in this garbage bin, because we had to get rid of all the garbage, because, well, we're just sick and tired of it, and it smells. So yeah, so that is also, but actually don't know, that's also the reason. I don't know. So that's actually the reason why I actually haven't been uploading. It's because, well, all that. So yeah, I hope you all do enjoy that video or this video. Just leave a like if you do, and you guys will see part 2 tomorrow. I'm Ray Mason, signing out. Peace, Dragons.